I got 5 persons email me about it. I have to ask you, with the recent news about teachers leaving Jamaica, I know a lot of teachers migrating. Does that know how can your business take advantage of this? Are there any plans for one-on-one to help students who know probably will have shortage of teachers?
Yeah, I mean, look, first of all, the teachers' problem is really a deep issue. And obviously, I feel it for both the teachers. I feel it for Jamaica. I understand all the sides. One of the things we did in our IPO is to ensure that ensure that teachers who were able to participate did. Obviously,
Yes,
not
very
many
good,
would
very
have had,
good.
not many teachers would have had even the money because of the pay that they get and so on to even participate. So I'm very thankful for the ones who did. We raised about 193 million from teachers. We only had a pool for 30 million, and so they got a percentage of what they needed. But that was a good start. But hear me out, Keisha. Our teacher problem that we have, first of all, teachers are the backbone of our education
Yes.
system. And we have to find a way to think about education as an infrastructure. And I'll tell you what I mean by this, right? In order to get goods and services from the source to people, you need good roads. To get good roads, the government can either build it or pay somebody to do it over long term. But the
Right.
reason they do it is because better roads causes manufacturers to get their goods to people quicker. So we build toll roads. And I don't know if you understand the concept of a toll road where the French come and build the road, and then we paying that toll is paying them
Back.
for building that
Yes.
road. And it's tangible. Roads are tangible. Now, I want to say something to you. One of the things we say about education is that we can't pay teachers more because, simply put, we don't have enough in our budget to do it. However, Keisha, if we were to look at education as an infrastructure, we can actually invest in ensuring teachers are well paid, the technology is in, and so on. And over the long run, here's how the benefit going to come. Jamaica's GDP is $13.5 billion. And our GDP per capita is about 5,000 US. In real terms, it has not changed since independence, our GDP per capita. Meaning that we're not producing more as a people for over 60 years. And I'm saying, in order to change that, if we can put in the infrastructure in education, raising the level of training for people, our productivity will increase, more will be produced, government earns more taxes, and all of a sudden we have all this money we can pay people.